How to buy Solana on Binance. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can buy Solana on Binance. Now before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step is open up your Binance. After you open up your Binance, you'll need to locate Solana. So here under this section, you'll find what's popular right now. So you'll find Solana here. Tap on that. And after you tap on Solana, you can check how much price it is right now, how much it's increasing, how much it's decreasing. You can find the market. And after that, when you want to buy it, tap on the buy button on the bottom. Then type in the amount. So let me type in the amount of Solana here. Then simply tap on Buy Sol and go through with the transaction process. After that, you'll have bought your Solana. And it's basically that simple. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And bye-bye. Take care.